Right, that was today. Cleaned. It has been stripped, and end of the day today now. You can see the sun is low in the sky. This has all been stripped down. As you can see, it dropped a lot of stuff on the floor. Threw some sawdust on it, just to suck it up a bit. There. And then gave it a. Yeah, it's good with the sun for once.
Yes, for once.
Yeah. Cumbria, driest area of the world. It rains 200 days a year in Cumbria. That's what we have. So every time it's like this, it's really appreciated. I guess if we lived in the south of Spain or something, we wouldn't even notice. We'd suddenly go, hey, it's raining, that's weird. Here we go, hey, it's sunny. Anyway, that's done. I have to bring it inside and go. So, see you later, mates. And that goes attached to that, and tomorrow we'll start colouring it. I also finished the sides of those that I showed you yesterday weren't done yet, so see you later. On sunny Cumbrian day. Yes!